level is 54, which occurred in 1965. Sunrise today is at 6:09 a.m. and sunset is at 8:41 p.m. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Charlotte metropolitan area on Wednesday, June 19th. At Charlotte Douglas International Airport, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 80 degrees, the dew point 60, and the relative humidity 50%. The wind was east at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 30. WXL-70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather. This broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. Its variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL-70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Moline, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the North Weather Radio All Hazards Tone Alert Test.
Typical RWT.
Time observations for the Charlotte metropolitan area.